Graphisoft BIMx brings your BIM projects to mobile devices, offering a revolutionary new way to present, explore, and understand your building designs. This video series is a basic step-by-step guide on how to create, share, and update BIMx hypermodels from Graphisoft ArchiCAD. You can jump to specific chapters of this clip by clicking on the titles in this list. You can also watch all the chapters successively. We'll give you some advice on how to prepare your ArchiCAD BIM project before exporting it as a BIMx project. Then you'll see how to share a BIMx hypermodel with clients using the BIMx model transfer service. And finally, we'll explain how to present, explore, and understand your building designs. Let's first see what you need to start creating BIMx projects with ArchiCAD. Please note that you need to have Graphisoft ArchiCAD version 17 or later to publish BIMx hypermodels. If you don't have ArchiCAD yet, download a fully functional 30-day trial version from myarchicad.com. Please open a design project that you'd like to export as an interactive BIMx hypermodel. Here are various project views of the Villa Funk residential project. Here's a floor plan, a cross-section, as well as a 3D perspective view. Before diving into the actual steps to create BIMx hypermodels, let's overview a couple of things that we should keep in mind before publishing. The advantage of BIMx hypermodels is that they incorporate both the 3D model and the corresponding 2D documentation set of a building. BIMx hypermodels provide a tight connection of 3D and 2D design information, similar to hyperlinks and the linked content on the Internet. So if we wish to create a BIMx hypermodel, it is optimal if we have both the 3D model and the 2D documentation set available and properly prepared in ArchiCAD beforehand. It's recommended to create a dedicated 3D view that we would like to present as the default 3D view in the BIMx model. Please make sure that a 3D project view is open. And then initiate the publishing process using the Publish BIMx Hypermodel option from the File menu. This initiates the BIMx Publishing Wizard, which is the recommended workflow if you are publishing for the first time. The wizard will prompt you to create a new publishing set, meaning that you will be able to select those project views and drawings that you'd like to include in the BIMx project in addition to the 3D model. More experienced users might opt to use the organizer to create, then carefully fine-tune, and finally publish BIMx hypermodels. In the next video, we will continue by publishing the BIMx hypermodel to the BIMx model transfer site.